The ZT0640, an Ernest Emerson design. 8.5 inches overall, it weighs 4.4 ounces. The 0640 operates on bronze washers, opening with a thumb disc. The handle is comprised of stonewashed titanium, green carbon fiber overlays, and black oxide steel tube spacers. The 3.75-inch blade is made of ultra-premium CPM 20CV blade steel. The pocket clip is in a reversible tip-up carry position. The blade is held securely open by a titanium frame lock with hardened steel LOCKBAR insert. The 0640's pocket clip hole pattern is compatible with aftermarket clips from Ernest Emerson and Steel Flame.